and today I'm going to teach you how to make white hot chocolate. Here are some of the ingredients that we need in order to make this delicious treat. 3 pieces of white chocolate, a tablespoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of milk, and a little bit of salt. To get this recipe started, the first thing that we have to do is add our glass of milk. We can take our white chocolate and begin to add it piece by piece, but try not to break it up. Try spreading the pieces apart evenly so they can melt at an even rate. Be sure to keep stirring everything that's contained within the pan so nothing sticks to the bottom and starts to burn. This is very important. Now we can go ahead and add our vanilla. Okay, looks like it's all done, so we'll just turn off the heat now and we'll get our glass and serve this up right. Make sure you pour it out slowly so you can bask in the aromas that come from this incredible drink. That smells great. All we need to do now is add a little bit of whipped cream. Grab your cinnamon, take a little pinch of it, and sprinkle it on top. It's different than your normal hot chocolate, but boy is it good. For Expert Village, I'm Scott.